Mark 3 lines and bring the needle to the surface on the middle one. Make a small diagonal stitch to the top, then bring the needle back to the surface at the lower line and lace the stitch under the stitch you just made. This will create the first loop. Now continue this way. Stitch to the upper line, come back on the lower line, and pass the needle under the stitch you made. The distance between the marking lines you draw will define the width of your band. You can also adjust the density of the stitches as you go. If you are making dense loops, it might be convenient to use the back of the needle for lacing. To finish the band, push the needle to the back on the middle mark and secure the thread on the back side of the fabric. For more textural band, you can use 6 strands of embroidery floss. On the back side, knotted loop stitch will look like a line of vertical stitches.